So, good morning, everybody. Myself, Acharya Vishwendra. Today, I shall be talking about on the topic of mind-brain system. So, let's start with that. Till now, you must have realized that at the very fundamental level, we can decode ourselves as a combination of brain and the mind. And obviously, the interaction between the brain and the mind. So, this interaction is through certain things which are called as the brain waves. And brain waves can be broadly classified as alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and theta waves depending on the frequency. And out of them, gamma rays obviously has the highest frequency. And it is characterized by the effect, by the feeling that when your mind and brain are interacting via gamma radiations or gamma waves, gamma brain waves, then you will have enhanced perception, you will have unbreakable focus, and you will be in a state of thoughtlessness, which is a very hard state to achieve. Normally, human mind is in alpha, beta, or delta, theta brain waves, and where you can know these things by observing your thoughts. Generally, a human being is driven by emotions, by stray thoughts. He is not able to focus on a one particular thing. He is unable to be at the present. Either he is dreaming about future or he is trapped in memories of the past. So these are the symptoms that your brain waves are right now in alpha, beta, delta, or theta spectrum of the brain waves. But the moment you become thoughtless, the moment you are at the present, neither you are trapped in memories of past nor in imagination of the future. The very moment you are in the present and your entire energy is completely confined to the present moment, then that state of mind is called thoughtlessness or the drashtabhav or the silent observer feeling. So every great achievement is because of that state of mind. So today I'll be discussing everything in detail about the mind brain system, what is the brain, what is the mind, how they coordinate, and how we can make sure that brain and mind work as a system and how to use that system for productivity in life. I'll continue in the next video. Thank you.